Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Ki long san man san jong karai nong tham bat ki bolong ru ki nong penyai bat ki nong pet nong khmi ya kayo mau hati menta kasngi ki lapen bena bahadin balayo jingbet na ki bor penyai district haribhoi on pleno ya kayo mau hati nadu lasai kasngi kata ka arp santarik unailor arhajar arpuwe
kane de jing pen bena na ka benta ki nong song yo ba ya kayo mau hati en saplino nadu ka arp santarik jong benai bakhandai arhajar arpuwe bat ka juga por lakarpat ia ki nong song yo bikin sobaha ban bud ia ki kindon ki bak sarkar kala deptha bat aga juga por kin sobaha banra ia ki sertifikat ki balayo ia ka bakasin bat ka juga por karpat ia ki nong wan yo ru kin sobaha bandeng ia ki mas ban bud ia ki kindon ki bala deptha na kaliang sarkar tetang kane ke jing penbena na kaliang jongi nong penyaj ia kana ka yo mohti bang ni lakarpat ia phi bikin sobaha ban bud ia kindon ki ba ka sarkar kala deptha brisbun